Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to upload a profile picture on Twitch. I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile picture on Twitch. It is because you have seen someone else's profile picture, so it reminds you of that you have not uploaded any picture. Or maybe you just want to upload a picture because you have created a new account on Twitch. Or it could be any other reason for you to upload a profile picture on Twitch. So whatever reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first, what you have to make sure that you have already installed a Twitch app from Google Play Store App Store, and you also have created account on it. After that, just simply tap on its icon to open it. So this is the interface that you will see of the app when it gets open. We have options all over the screen, at the top, at the bottom, and even in the middle of the screen. So from all these options, what we have to do is first we have to get to this option following. Once you get on this page, you will see this profile icon on the top left side of the screen. So if you have uploaded any profile picture, it will appear here. But as we don't have any profile picture right now, so that's why we are only getting a profile icon. So we have to click on this option. So for that, just simply tap on it. Once you get to this page, you will see on the top it is written account, and we have different options all over the screen. So from all these options, what we have to do is we just have to simply click on this first option, which is my channel. So just simply tap on this option. Once you get to this option, after that you will see this page. We have again options all over the screen. Here, this is our banner and this is our profile icon. So if you have uploaded any picture, it will appear here, but right now no picture is uploaded. So to upload a picture, what we have to do is we have to click on this option. This is edit profile. So simply tap on this option. Once you get into this section which says edit profile, here you can edit your profile, like you customize your profile, like you can change your name, you can upload profile picture, you can upload banner. So here we have this first option which says profile picture. It also has an option which says that you can only upload JPEG, PNG, GIF, and any other file which is less than 10 MB. So you have to keep that in mind. After that, just simply click on this pencil icon to upload a profile picture. There you will see two options. The first option is that if you have any picture that is in your mobile phone gallery and you want to upload it as a profile picture, so through first option you can do that. But with the second option, the camera will open and you will click the profile picture at the moment. So you can choose any one of these options, whatever you prefer. So right now I'm going for the first option, where I will select a picture from mobile phone photo gallery. So here I have selected this picture, and now what you could do is you can crop it, can change its size, can do whatever you want to, like you can customize the picture according to your choice. Once you're done with all that, simply click on this choose option and it will be uploaded. Here you can see the picture that we selected is now pasted as the profile picture, but right now it is not saved, it just uploaded. So to save it, we have to click on this option. This is a done option. You just have to simply click on it so it gets saved. Here you can see we just got back, and here you can see the picture has been uploaded. This is the same picture that we selected from the mobile phone gallery, and now it has been uploaded. Likewise, you can post any kind of picture, whatever you prefer. You can post your own picture, any kind of wallpaper, whatever comes to your mind. You can paste it as a profile picture, or you can also select your own picture. Once you paste it, it will be uploaded on your profile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture on Twitch. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. So make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.